In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts to Xero. This is an essential task for anyone looking to set up or update their financial data in Xero, a leading accounting software. Whether you're an accountant or a small business owner, being able to manage your chart of accounts efficiently can save you time and help maintain accurate financial records. First, let's talk about where you need to start on Xero's dashboard. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen. There you'll see a menu bar, and on this bar, there's an option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. This section houses all the important features related to your financial data. After clicking Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. This section is the backbone of your accounting system, mapping out all your financial accounts. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you see. This is where all your account details are listed, showing everything from assets and liabilities to income and expenses. At the top of this section, above the list of accounts, there is an Import button. This step is crucial. Clicking this button will start the process of importing your new Chart of Accounts data into Xero. Once you've clicked the Import button, Xero will present you with the option to select whether your file includes account balances. It's an important choice because incorporating account balances into your import will update the existing account figures in Xero, impacting your financial statement's accuracy. If your file does include account balances, make sure to indicate that. Then, you'll move on to uploading your file. The file you upload needs to be in CSV format, which is a standard format for data files and ensures everything is in a neat, organized structure that Xero can easily read. Simply locate your Chart of Accounts CSV file on your computer, select it, and upload it directly into Xero through this interface. After you've successfully chosen your file, hit the Import button, and just like that, your Chart of Accounts will be uploaded. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure you've selected the correct file and properly indicated if it includes account balances. This ensures your data is synced correctly with what you have in Xero, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. And there you have it, a clear and easy method to import your Chart of Accounts into Xero. Following these steps will allow you to manage your accounts smoothly and keep your financials in check. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.